caught up with Dr. Daniel Ventura at a mass rabies vaccination event he was organising in Cebu City in the Philippines, where he's been a leading advocate for animal welfare in that country.
Veterinarians play a significant role in advocating for animal welfare. Not only that, they understand what the law says about animal welfare, but more importantly, veterinarians make ethical decisions on animals and they know science behind welfare of animals.
Recognition is very significant for veterinarians because it will serve as inspiration and motivation for vets to champion the cause of animal welfare. There's a need for would-be veterinarians in the future to be educated on the concepts on animal welfare, and World Veterinary Association will continue the discussion on animal welfare so that more and more vets would really understand what animal welfare is.
Dr. Ventura has also actively advanced animal welfare on the agendas of the Bureau of Animal Industry and local government departments in the Philippines, while continuing to manage the Better Lives for Dogs campaign.